Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at your Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system flashing yellow and wondering what's going on. Don't worry. It's a common issue that usually means your device is having trouble connecting to the internet or needs a quick reset. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to get your Eero back up and running smoothly in no time. This guide is based on the 2025 models, but it should work for most versions. Let's dive in. First things first, understand what the yellow flashing light means. It typically indicates that your Eero isn't connected properly or there's a network issue. Start by checking the basics. Make sure your Eero is plugged in securely and that all cables are connected tightly. If you're using Ethernet, double-check that cable too. Next, try a simple restart. Unplug your Eero from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This often resolves minor glitches. Once it's back on, give it a minute to reconnect. If the yellow light persists, open the Eero app on your phone. Log in and check for any available firmware updates. Eero regularly releases fixes, especially for 2025 models. Updating could solve the problem instantly. If that doesn't work, let's get a bit more advanced. Reset your Eero by holding down the reset button on the bottom of the device for about 10 seconds until the lights change. This will erase any custom settings, so you'll need to set it up again through the app. Make sure your internet modem is working properly too. Sometimes the issue is upstream. As a last resort, if nothing else helps, contact Eero support. They have great resources and can guide you through more specific troubleshooting. Remember, these steps are straightforward and should take just a few minutes. There you have it. Your Eero should now be flashing green or solid white, meaning it's connected and ready to go. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.